Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're using an admin account. This lets you change system UI settings. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar to open the context menu, then choose Taskbar Settings. Once done, you'll see the News and Interests option. This is the source of the weather display. You're acting now, not later, so keep the taskbar settings pane visible. It's where you'll toggle the widget off and confirm the change immediately. In taskbar settings, locate News and Interests. That control governs the weather tile. Click the drop-down and select Turn Off to remove the weather card from the taskbar. If you prefer a softer approach, choose Show Icon only first to reduce space without fully removing it. This helps test impact. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the UI to refresh. You'll see the weather disappear instantly when successful, and you can always revert the selection if you change your mind. Complete the process by confirming the weather icon is gone from your taskbar. If it remains, restart Windows Explorer using Task Manager, select Explorer, then Restart. This forces the taskbar to reload and usually resolves stubborn displays. If you still see the widget, make sure Windows is updated and that no group policy or third-party tool re-enables it. Corporate machines often enforce settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.